Welcome back, future medicos. If you have participated in the 2020 All India Counseling conducted by MCC and you are still waiting for the refund from MCC, here is a good news. MCC has posted a notification on 9th March 2021 stating that they have already processed the refund for 40,353 candidates. So here is the list of the 40,353 candidates. So you can look at the list published in MCC website. I will provide a link to this document in the description below. So you can go there and check the roll number. If your roll number is there in the list in the 40,000 candidates, that means the processing has been done and it is initiated and you should have got the refund already, or you should be getting the refund in a few days' time. So you can see here the refund amount could be 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, or 2 lakh rupees, depending on the options you have chosen at the time of registration with MCC. So where the amount will be refunded, it will be exactly refunded to the same account from where the security deposit was remitted to MCC. In case if you have not got the refund yet, but your name is in the 40,000 candidates, don't need to worry. Generally, it is expected that the refund may take about 1 to 15 days depending upon the candidate's bank. In case if there is delay in crediting the refund, you can contact the bank and ask them that you are waiting for the refund. But in case if your name is not there in the 40,000 candidates, then again, no need to worry. This is only the first list released by MCC. MCC is still processing the remaining 82,437 candidates, and most likely your name or your roll number will be appearing in the second list. So wait for MCC to release the second list, maybe in a few days' time. And in case if your name is not there even in the second list, then probably you can look at this email ID. You can send your queries. financeMCC2019@lifecarehll.com. So this is the email ID to which you need to send any queries related to the refund by MCC. Don't need to send any email directly to MCC, or don't try to contact them. There is no use. So this is the information for refund from MCC. I hope this information is useful to you. If you have any doubts, please leave a comment. I will try to address them. Thank you. Bye-bye.